Ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní gbogbo ìgbà tẹ́ bá ń wò mí. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò yìí. Ètò yìí la mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́yín jákèjádò orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ tẹ́tí kẹ́ bá wa wo àwọn fídíò yìí. Ẹ bá wa like ẹ share ẹ dẹ̀ subscribe sí channel wa. Ẹ kú ojú lọ́nà o.
Hey, yau kazi, kamu kula ci buro ban shi, kuma za mu rama abin da aka yi muna. Yawwa, wannan kala tura.
Ane dun turo don kawa wane gajiya wane.
Kashin buro ba kamo kawa jan buro ba.
The only way to return full normalcy, I'm saying it on air, if you watch the system the whole thing is going, the time they arrested Nnamdi, it was like up and down, up and down. Okay. The time they arrested Simeon Ekpa, it cut to 50%. The time that Nnamdi was convicted, it reduced to 10%. That's what we are battling now. Put it on air. If Nnamdi is there today, if government of Nigeria will kill Nnamdi, trust me, normalcy will start coming. And that's all what every Igbo man prays for. Now again, for you to concur to what you're saying, government cannot do it all. And that's why I'm agitating again. If we know where our problem is coming, we can find the solution. Our problem is simply coming from the brainwash, the hate speech. I want all these organizations in Nigeria that have say, the Catholic bishops, the Pentecostal pastors, the educated ones, let us come on air and educate our people the consequences of what we are doing. That is the only way they will shift. Military are not the Holy Spirit that is everywhere.
Right.
See, today bombs still kill people in my community. Have the military not done enough to extradite the mines in the land? They have done a lot, but they plant again. Did you understand? So the only means for us to get this thing done is let every Igbo man know the truth and stand by the truth.
Tragic story out of Delta State, where a 20-year-old woman identified as favored took her own life, saying that a popular content creator, Ifeanyi Ogbonna, popularly known as the Odogu of Asaba, raped her in a hotel room. In a chilling video trending on social media, Favor explains through tears how Ogbonna invited her to Asaba from Warri under the guise of mentoring her in content creation last month, but assaulted her instead. She later died after ingesting poison, filming the emotional video before her death. I mean, this is so tragic, Ayo. So tragic. May her soul rest in peace. The Delta State Police Public Relations Officer said that they have now ordered a comprehensive investigation into the allegations, with Ogbonna now under arrest. They shared a video of the content creator, Ogbonna, handcuffed and begging Favor's family members for mercy. He described the whole incident as a terrible mistake. Let's take a look.
I do business, mama business.
This is a very terrible mistake. I'm ready to give up everything.
Thank you. Hello, Chief. How are you, sir?
This story has reignited conversations around the importance of protecting young women in Nigeria, with many online calling for immediate justice and for Ogbonna to face the full wrath of the law. I mean, there will be more investigations, I suppose, but this man has confessed, really basically begging and saying it's a terrible mistake. Terrible mistake, you rape a young girl. Your thoughts?
I think we must have the right nomenclature, because a lot of times we've heard many reasons, we've heard many names for rape. Mistake. You tempted me. It was your fault.
Aprophobic attacks in South Africa. I wish to join Ghana in strongly condemning the aprophobic attacks on the citizens and other fellow Africans in the Republic of South Africa. As already mentioned by His Excellency the President of Ghana, ECOWAS will present this matter before the next meeting of the Authority of African Union, to send a clear message that this type of intolerance is unacceptable. South Africa should be reminded, while we tread the path of moderation, South Africa needs to be reminded that the freedom the country currently enjoys is due to the liberation efforts of African countries such as Nigeria and Ghana. Deductions were made from our scholarship allowances to fund liberation movements in Southern Africa. They should learn to know where their problem lies. Their problem does not lie with fellow Africans who are there to sell their skills. The Nigerian government has evacuated our citizens in 7 batches and is prepared to engage more on this matter.
I have just come from Buckingham Palace, where I have accepted His Majesty the King's invitation to form a government. In doing so, I am acutely conscious that I am the 6th person in the last 10 years to walk up this street, the 7th Prime Minister since 2016, making this a moment for reflection and new resolution. It requires my generation of politicians to raise our game and rise to the new challenge. Britain needs to show the world that we can regain our stability once again. And that is our challenge, to make politics work, to make it work better. I know people at home are fed up with politics. I hear you, and I want to be honest with you. We have not been good enough, and we need to be better. We will be. We will make this moment a circuit breaker for Britain, bringing forward the biggest changes in the last 40 years. A new political model and a new economic model. In the 1980s, Britain took some wrong turns. Political power was centralised, economic power privatised, large parts of the country deindustrialised, and they still haven't recovered. Many feel as though they're still in decline, and they don't have the ability to turn things around. And that's why we will change politics, to make it more collaborative, more about problem solving than point scoring, And we will take power out of here and carry it into every postcode in the land so that they can do more. And in doing more, build a new economy where we put life's essentials back under stronger public control to make them affordable to you again. Reindustrialising Britain, using public procurement to back British industry. Later this year, I will bring forward a new plan for Britain, a 10-year plan, laying out a path from where we are now to where I believe we all want Britain to be, wherever we're coming from, whatever party we support. But I can do something to give people some breathing space now, some help with the cost of living. And I will set out some of those measures starting tomorrow, including how we pay for them. We will help more young people into work by changing the education system and giving them more support, more mental health support. And we will build more council homes. That is the fair and sustainable way to bring the welfare bill down, to meet our fiscal rules and to honour our commitments on defence to our international partners. We will help people to live well, building a more preventative state, investing in people's success rather than paying for failure. And that work starts now. I will soon go through that door behind me and issue my first instruction to end rough sleeping in our country. It's about putting the right values and the right standards at the heart of government. I will put the care of people at the heart of everything I do. I will give this my all, and I ask you all to pull with me. Let's build a new national sense of unity, of common purpose and positivity. Let us make this the moment when Britain starts to believe again, the moment we bring back hope. Thank you very much, everybody.